this video, we will learn how to inspect a document from our goods and receipt note, that's GRN. So in order to inspect a document, you'll be moving on to your login page. So there's a login page. Enter your ID and click on login. So consider here my QZ user I have given, and so I'm logging in now. And so this is my login page, and so here my QZ user is Jasmine. So now you will be navigating to your quality. At transaction, you have your inspection document. So here an inspection document is an official record used during the quality inspection process of goods or materials received, produced or stored. It provides a detailed information about the inspection results, helping determine whether the items meet quality standards or need to be rejected, reworked or accepted. So there's a screen where you will be filtering up your document, and so where you will be creating a. So now we'll be picking the document from our pending. You'll be clicking at this round icon, and so document falls at here. So elect the document for which you're going to create a QZ. After electing, click on create QZ document, and so elect the date on it. Now click on OK. After giving OK, your inspection document will get opened up. So here you will be having a location ID, unit, and so a document number which will get generated automatically. And so you have your date, and then you have your inspection type which comes up from your purchase request, and then you have your inspector for your quality check, and so the in charge name here will be of ERP admin, and so the corresponding item for which quality check has to be done of. When it's of lot and serial item, it will be getting displayed up here. And so my inspection quantity is of 200 and accepted quantity is of 200. And then we have your AOD quantity. So AOD is nothing but your accept on deviation, which means accepting a product or material despite it's not meeting standard specifications based on a formal approval or deviation request. So in order to reject, you will be giving your accept quantity. So after giving an accept quantity of 10, it's getting rejected quantity of 190. So it's been reduced at it. And then you have your prime reject quantity. That's your primary rejection quantity. The number of units rejected during the initial, that's your first level inspection or a quality check. When it's of your secondary rejection quantity definition, when it's of prime rejection quantity, the number of units rejected during the initial inspection or quality check. When it's of your secondary rejection quantity, the number of units rejected after rework, further processing or secondary inspection. And then you have your line. So in manufacturing or inspection, a line refers to the production line or inspection line, a specific sequence of operations or stations where products have been manufactured, assembled or been inspected. A defect is a non-conformance or flaw in a product, material or process that makes it fail to meet specifications or standards. Now in order to add our defect, click on this add icon, and then you will be giving up your defect. So here my defect would be of poor elongation, and so the defect quantity I am giving it up as 190, which will hit your primary. And now click on save, and so the line will get saved. If you do not want this, you can click on this bin icon, that's of delete. And then you have your AOD, that's accept on deviation, and comes your inspection characteristics, a specific feature or parameter of a product that must be measured or checked during inspection to ensure your compliance. And then you have your observation. So it's an observed result or remark noted during inspection. It can be quantitative, a measurement, or qualitative, a comment or visual finding up. So after giving all such details, and then you have a show more, which holds up your QZ shift, And so when you click on your show more, you have your quality check shift, then you have your type, then it consists of your inspection plan number or plan revision and so on. So which will be given as per the requirement up. So after giving all such details, you will be clicking on save and now click on post. Will be getting forwarded to Ramya, who will be acting as our quality check head here. So let's forward the document for review. Now click on OK. So the document has been forwarded. Now let's log in as quality check head as Ramya. So there's a login page of our quality check head. So here you will be clicking on this bell icon, go to our approvals. Here the document falls at. So when you click on this detail icon in order to approve. So after having a review of your accepted quantity and so your reject quantity, click on approve. Now the document will be getting forwarded to the manager of QC. So here Priya is your QC manager who will be reviewing and approving the document. Now click on OK. Now you will be logging in as Priya, who is our QC manager here. So this is a login page of our quality check manager who will be approving the document. Go to your bell icon, click on approvals, and so the document is waiting for your option. Now click on detail. After having a review of the document, click on approve, and so our manager will be approving the document. Click on OK, and so the document has been approved. So now we will be moving on to your QC user, who will be Jasmine, in order to look up the status. So log in as QC user and click on your inspection document. And so let's search it up, your document number. Click on search. And so the status has become approved from draft and entry completed. So when you click on this workflow log, it's for your accountability and traceability for a document where it's been traveled off, and the person who have been approved will be showing up here. It's been for a reference. And when you click on this print icon, a report gets generated of your inspection document, which holds up your document number, inspection type, and so the inspector who have checked it, and so a supplier, which holds up the item which has undergone your inspection, and so which consists of your rejection quantity and the defects which have been given for it, and holds up the prepared by and so inspected by and so on. And so this is how you will be generating a report of inspection document. And now we will be checking at our current stocks. For that you will be logging in as your warehouse supervisor. Now log in as our supervisor Kaushik. Click on login. Click on your inventory. Click on reports. Here you have your current stocks list. So this is a page of your current stocks. So the current stock means a real-time quantity of a material or item that's been available in the warehouse or storage location after considering all receipts and issues. So now let's check up the current stock of the item which we have done an inspection. Now let's click on generate. So after clicking generate, the corresponding item will get generated. So for which you are going to check up our current stocks. So it consists of your inspection warehouse. So it's a special warehouse or location where materials are kept temporarily for your quality inspection after a receipt. So when it's of your rejection warehouse, a warehouse or location for rejected or damaged materials that did not pass your inspection. When it's of a consumable warehouse, a warehouse where consumable items are being stored. Then when you have your stock quantity, those are the current and physical quantity of your material that's been available. And so of your allocated quantity, the portion of stock that's been reserved or allocated for a specific order or production. And then have a pick quantity, the quantity of stock that's been picked from warehouse bins or locations for dispatch or for production. When it's of in-transit quantity, the quantity of material that has been shipped or transferred but not yet received at a destination warehouse. Then you have your balance quantity, and then you have your stock cost, that's a monetary value of your current stock on hand. And so this is how you'll be checking up your current stocks after inspection. And so you have been given that a rejection quantity of 10, which also has been hidden your current stocks. And so this is how you will be proceeding with your inspection document from our pending GRN. Thank you for watching.